This video demonstrates how to fine-tune and evaluate large language models utilizing various parameter-efficient fine-tuning methods through our framework called PEFT-Factory. As the fine-tuning method, we select bitfit, and for the dataset, we select WSC. Next, we decrease the learning rate and set the number of training epochs to 5. Now, we configure specific settings for the bitfit method in the PEFT settings tab. We specify the target modules to be all query, volume, and key projection layers in the model. Now we hit the Start button to begin the training using the bitfit method. Under the training tabs, we can now see the live training logs. We can see that the number of trainable parameters is nearly 50,000, which is only a small fraction of the 1 billion parameters in the LLaMA model. We can also see that the model is training and the loss is decreasing. After training, we would like to evaluate the classification and efficiency of our model. For that, we select our recently trained model and the validation set of the WSC dataset. We want to evaluate the classification performance and the efficiency using the PSCP metric. We modify the PSCP parameters only slightly and set the bitfit target modules. Now we press Start to begin the evaluation. After the evaluation is complete, we can see the classification and efficiency metrics being printed out, including accuracy, F1, and PSCP. Another benefit of PEFT-Factory is the ability to add custom PEFT methods. In this case, we would like to add our custom method called Singular Vectors Fine-Tuning, or SVFT. To do this, we simply copy our prepared method into the PEFT directory and reload the web user interface. Now we can use this newly added method for further fine-tuning of large language models.